let's do it. Ready, let's do this thing. Finally, we got this darn truck that we've been talking about for 2 weeks. Let's go head up to CarBiz. Hopefully Evan will be up there, and we'll get this truck going and do our thing. Going to get ourselves a truck.
How exciting is this for you? City boy getting a pickup truck.
I mean, the last 2 weeks of the whole,
Process.
the whole process of figuring out a truck, and I'm going to go pick up the truck, and that's the only time I'm ever going to be able to drive it. It's going right to Dave, staying at his house. Maybe I'll get to drive it one more time to go get it wrapped, and then it's Dave's truck. When I was talking to the insurance company today, he's like, "You excited about a new car?" I was like, "Not really." I was like, "It's not even my car. I'm just buying the car. I actually have to pay for the car, and then it's going to somebody else."
And what's the car for? What's the truck for?
The truck is going to be used for property inspections, some property valuations. This whole process is, we used to have about 7 outsourced people that would help us go to some properties, take a lot of pictures for us, help with draws and construction inspections to make sure work was getting completed properly, permits were getting pulled and things like that. And we want to tighten up on it a little bit. So instead of having seven people doing one job, it was a little bit clunky of who should do this one, who should do this one. Now it's one person. His name's Dave. He's got a lot of experience with real estate and property inspections and doing similar stuff for banks. And it's a great fit. Man, their new spot looks good. Where am I turning in? Right here?
First one, yeah, left.
Oh, look at my truck up there. Ooh, there's that Porsche. Is that Dan's Porsche? There we go. Here we are, about to go pick up the truck. Just pulled up at CarBiz. Really, really, really want to check out their new spot. It looks good. It looks real nice. Shout out to those guys for really hooking us up with this. I think I see our car right over there, the new Nissan Frontier, getting all washed up. Shout out to those guys. They really hooked us up. Happy about that. Their showroom looks, through these windows, looks awesome. The exterior, they just redesigned it on Reisterstown Road. Looks really, really nice too. So I'm stoked to check it out.
Old storage container.
That's the extra WD-40 on this one.
Yeah.
Got the keys to the truck. Myself a truck. Now, do I leave this thing in all-wheel drive all the time?